Assalamu alaikum, this is Faizan Ahmed and I welcome you in the introductory session of AutoCAD. In this session, we will discuss the brief introduction of this tool as well as we will discuss the topic which we are going to cover in the complete course. So AutoCAD is used to draw 2D drawings as well as to create 3D models. We have three basic workstations in the AutoCAD. The first one is drafting and annotation, in which we generate our 2D drawings. The second one is 3D basics, in which we perform basic 3D operations like extrude, revolve, and others. In 3D modeling, we use advanced 3D operations as well as we work on the visual effect of the final model. So now let's discuss the user interface of AutoCAD, and the workstation which we are working on is drafting and annotation. The basic structure of this tool is similar like Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. Like we have a menu tab over here, we have a quick access toolbar, we have a ribbon in which there are different buttons are present and each button has its own text. In this interface, we have different sections present, so we will discuss every section separately. So this complete section is called as ribbon. And the complete black screen which is being shown over here is our drawing area. So whatever we are going to draw, we will draw in this area. If you see on the right top, there is a cube present. This cube is known as view cube. When we are going to work in 3D operation, then we use this cube to see the different views of our model. If you see here, there is a vertical bar. This bar is known as navigation bar, in which we have different options present, which we will discuss in our further classes. On the left top, we have three options present. The very first is our viewport control. Currently, there is only one viewport present. Like if you are drawing just a 2D drawing, then we work on a single screen or single port. But when you are working on 3D model, and if you want to see the views simultaneously, then we use this option in which you can have different views at a single time. With this, we have the second option, that is our view control. View cube is used just to change the view of the drawing, but view control actually changes its plane. Then we have our visual style control. We have several types of visual styles like wireframe, conceptual, hidden, realistic, shaded, and other, which we are going to use in our 3D model. If you see over here, there is a bar present. This bar is known as command prompt. So when you are going to use any command, this command prompt will show you your next step or the status of your active command. This is our UCS icon. We will start this course from the very basic. We will start it by opening a new drawing and by setting up our units. We will also discuss coordinate system which we use in AutoCAD, like polar coordinate system and the Cartesian coordinate system. We will start our drawing by basic geometrical operations like line command, circle command, arc and rectangle. We'll use the modifying tools and our drawing tool simultaneously. Once we complete our draw tab tools and modify tab tools, then we will move further to our annotation. In annotation, we will apply dimension to our drawing and also will add text to it. We will learn how to generate tables in AutoCAD as well as how to link them to any Excel sheet. After completion of annotation tab, then we will move further to layers and then to block and so on. Once our 2D operations are completed, then we will move to our next workstation, that is 3D Basic. In 3D Basic, we will start with these type objects and then we will learn how to convert our 2D objects to 3D. We have different options to convert our 2D drawings to the 3D object. First one is extrude command, then second one is revolve command, then roof command, then sweep and press pull. We will also learn about the Boolean operations like union, subtraction and intersection. We will also work on the modification of 3D objects. After completing the 3D basic operations, we will move further to our 3D modeling workstation. In 3D modeling workstation, we will work on our visual styles. We will add materials to our 3D model. We will generate camera views. We will work with our light options. And finally, we will learn how to render it.